Hi, this is Siddharth from Team Digit, and today I'm here to unbox a Bluetooth speaker for you. As you can see, there are a lot of Bluetooth speakers with us this time around, but I'm going to choose the HMDX Party here. Now, HMDX is pretty popular in the US, and they have recently launched in India. They have launched their Jam collection, and these other three speakers that you see behind me, they are also part of the Jam collection. You have the Plus, these two, they can daisy chain in stereo wirelessly via Bluetooth, and you have the Classic, which is a smaller one. But we'll get to those later. Right now, I am going to pick up the HMDX Jam Party here and unbox it for you. So as you can see, the packaging is transparent, and on the back you have a couple of things mentioned about the Bluetooth speaker. It's got like 12 hours of battery backup on continuous use. You have 30 feet of range, etc. And from the picture you can see it's got a handle, so it's like a boombox style speaker. Let's just unbox it. Okay. So first up we have the warranty notice. There's some kind of a label here. And it's difficult to open. So here's the speaker finally. After much effort, the speaker is pretty rugged. It's got a nice metallic grill in the front. This is supposed to be a handle to carry it around like a boombox. On the back you have ports for an auxiliary in and a DC in. Both are covered. So there's a bit of all-weather thought there. Okay, so this is a stand if you want to angle it while listening to it. On the top you have a couple of buttons, power on off, forward back, pause, and the volume controls. And for battery and I think pairing, this is for the pairing, this is for the battery indicator. And in the front you can see two drivers behind the grill. So let me just pair it quickly with another device and let's just see how it sounds. I mean, of course you will be listening through your own speakers, so you may not get a great idea of what they sound like, but I've got a JBL Flip 2 lying around and I can just use it for the sake of comparison. So I'll just quickly take it up to maximum volume.
Morning comes too early, and nighttime falls too late. Sometimes all I want to do is wait.
So it's fairly loud, one of the louder ones we've heard. I'll pause the music and I'll just get my other speaker for comparison, just to give you an idea of how it compares against the JBL Flip 2. So I'm back with the JBL Flip 2 and I'll just quickly pair this one as well and just give you an idea of sound to compare. So this is from the JBL Flip 2.
I know it's easier to walk away than look it in the eye, but I will raise a shelter to the sky, and here beneath this star tonight.
Right, so I've taken it up to full volume right now, and yeah. So apart from the speaker in the box, there isn't much else. All you have is an adapter for the PC input. That's it. So this was the HMDX Jam Party. That was the unboxing, and you can look forward to a full review soon. The price of this product is 7990, so that's rupees 8,000, and we'll tell you if it's worth it or not after we run our tests. Thank you.